GT701, an intelligent electronic lock, can be connected to the extended sublock and a temperature sensor. It features GPS positioning, door opening monitoring, and a temperature recording. It can be unlocked by on-site swipe card and remotely by software. When abnormal events occur, it will generate alarms, such as rope cutting alarms, to prompt your asset safety risks. It is waterproof and drop-resistant, suitable for tracking containers, vans, and trailers, can monitor vehicle safety and cargo safety inside the vehicle.